Come down, please. Please. Thank you very much. Come down, please. Please. Ikaw ba? Ikaw. Ma. Thanks, Mom.
Egg scrambled.
I turned 60. Can you believe it? This year?
Oh, 60.
60.
Wow.
I know.
The big 6.
60. My God.
Well, you don't look
Just
like it.
feels,
So.
yeah, but that feels really old. But not really. I shouldn't. It just sounds old.
You say 60, right? Yeah. Oh, you don't have shoes, my love? Ah, say Baba give at the pat. Aww, honey girl. She just wants to hold Lola. Give at the Paris a cuddle? The Paris going to school.
Paris Caro? Paris Caro?
I spotted a bug.
Sunny?
I spotted a bug, Dad.
Did you?
Spotted a bug right there.
Give him a kiss.
I spotted a bug.
Mommy, a kiss.
But I spotted a bug.
Yeah, did you?
Daddy, I spotted a bug. Come
Good job,
on.
Paris.
I'll
You swallow it.
Spotted.
I thought you said you swallowed it.
Don't try Celine, that.
Which one's? Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the car. It's gonna be hot for sure. Hold her.
Look at that, one of the feet.
Malis sila. Sobrang init ah. Have fun, my love. Bye. Love you. Celine is waving. Oh my God, sobrang init guys. Tingnan niyo ang mama ni Daddy Mike. Oh, naka
Bye. Bye-bye.
umbrella pa. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Aw, Linny, you're the sweetest, anak. Come back here now. Come on. Get her, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Oh, grabe, sobrang init, guys. Uy,
Bye.
they're in the car. But it's nearly 9 o'clock. Yung mama ni Daddy Mike yung hatid kay Ate Paris sa kanyang kindi. Kasi kami ni Daddy Mike at Baby Celine ay pupunta sa doktor. So, nasabi ko sa inyo yung mata ni Daddy Mike, meron siyang sore eyes. And it's been going on for a few days now. So, kailangan na namin ipa-check sa doctor just to make sure na okay lang. Kasi yung sore eyes, diba, normally, ilang days ay, 3 days, ganun, mag-clear na kapag nilalagyan ng drops. But with, his right eye, magwa 1 week na siguro. Wala pa rin, progress ba? So, dadalhin namin si Daddy Mike sa doctor ngayon. Mabuti na lang nandun yung kanyang mama. Siya yung maghahatod kay Ate Paris. Mga kimukha ay sobrang nilagyan ko ng sunscreen. Kasi alam niyo ba, sobrang init guys. Grabe. It's 33 degrees today. Ayan. Kaya kahit yung mami ni Daddy Mike ay nagpayong-payong siya guys. Sobrang init talaga. We dropped Daddy Mike sa doktor. We can't park there guys and wait for him. Kasi itong ating baby girl sa likuran ay ayan, mag-alburuto yan siya. So, kailangan namin umalis. So, what I've done, nag-stop na lang kami. Kita nyo, McDonald's! Nag-drive-thru kami. Bili ako ng double cheeseburger in a large meal. And just waiting to pay. Diyan muna kayo. Kasi, bayad muna tayo. Hello! Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, have a good day. Ito yung in-order natin, oh. Yan. Especially cold drink, guys, kasi napakainit ng panahon. We need that. So we'll just meet Daddy Mike mamaya pagkatapos niya. He will just call us and let us know kung asan siya. And then we'll go meet him. Kasi mag-work pa rin si Daddy Mike, guys. Off lang niya for a few hours. And then babalik din siya sa work. Off lang niya pagpa-check lang sa doktor. Hi, Lynn! Hi, Lynn!
A few moments later.
Time check, guys. It's now 11 in the morning and nakauwi na kami dito sa bahay. Kakapark ko lang dito sa labas. Hindi ako makalabas-labas kasi ang ating baby Celine ay natutulog. So, iniwan namin si Daddy Mike after ng kanyang appointment sa doktor. Pumunta siya sa barber para magpagupit ng kanyang buhok. Ngayon, dapat sana pipick upin namin siya doon. Kaya lang, sobrang hirap maghanap ng parking. So, that's one thing na hindi ko bet dito sa Brisbane, guys. It's very hard to find a parking. At kung meron man, mahal siya. But, yung parking talaga is sobrang hanapin. Very limited ang kanilang parking spots dito. So, ikot-ikot kami ni Baby Celine. Wala talaga akong mahanap. So, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, we'll just have to go home and he will just catch an Uber mamaya pagkatapos ng kanyang haircut. Kasi, mag-work siya ng 12 o'clock daw yung start ng kanyang work. So, it's in 1 hour time. Anyways, kanina, nung hinihintay namin si Daddy Mike, nung nasa doktor pa siya, I took Baby Celine to UKAY. UKAY pa more. So, alam nyo, tinatawag nila ditong op shop. So, yung ukay-ukay na sinasabi ko dito sa Australia, guys, hindi yung parang bibili sila ng bundle galing sa Japan or Korea at ibenta nila, ganun. Hindi ganun, guys. So, yun yung parang charity or organization na yung mga tao nagdo-donate ng mga gamit, from clothes, shoes, everything under the sun. So, doon nila dinodonate. Tapos, yung mga tao doon, nagvo-volunteer sila. Sila yung tawag dito, sila yung sales lady o sales person doon sa loob. And then, yung kinikita nila, obviously, pumupunta sa charities, sa organization nila. And whoever needs help, tutulungan nila. Ganun. So, hindi yung, isang bundle-bundle, ganun. Anyways, marami din ako napamili. All in all, yung nabayaran ko ay $95. Grabe si mami. Minsan lang kasi ako makapag-ukay-ukay dito, guys, kasi wala din silang maraming ukay-ukay dito katulad sa Melbourne. Sa Brisbane is very different, guys, kumpara sa Melbourne. And kung may ukay-ukay man, wala akong masyadong bet. But sa napuntahan namin sa Cooperoo, may na bet ako, especially para sa mga kids, kasi I love getting stuff for the kids. Alam niyo naman yun. But yeah, have a look. The first one is this. So this one is for $5. This is like a baby for Celine. Alam ko marami na siyang ganito, pero hinawakan niya nung nandun kami. So binili ko na lang. And kita nyo ba, guys? So it's a bit dark. Dito ba? Ganyan. Ayan. Shorts from Country Road, and this was for $8. Super cute. That's for Ate Paris. Ayan. Pink siya, tapos pa-eyelet ang kanyang style. It's another one. It's a skirt. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is from Levi's. Ayan, may patatak pa yan dyan. For 5 years old, but Ate Paris will get there. $8 too. Sobrang cute naman yan, eh? Huh? May paganyan pa sa baba. And this other one, it's for 2 years old, but it looks big. I don't think Celine's can wear this for now, but alam niyo naman, petit ang ating Ate Paris, so I think it will still fit her. Have a look at that. Super cute. Super nice. $4 for this one. This is set. It's a top and bottom. Yan. Medyo siguro isang suotan o dalawang suotan lang to ni Baby Celine. But I love the print. Sobrang bago pa niya. Hindi pa talaga to nasuot. Sobrang bago pa. And magkano ba ito eh? $6. Ayan. Next one is for Ate Paris from the brand Milkshake. Ayan, pa-summer dress ng ating Ate Paris. That looks so cute. Super summery ang kanyang kulay. Ayan, pastel. Pinkish. Sobrang nice. Bagay na bagay ito kay Ate Paris. Another floral set for Celine. $6. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang bottom. Sobrang ganda naman ito eh. Young Hearts by Colette Dinigan. Ganda ng print. And shirt. Just a basic shirt. Ayan. Love the print. And meron pa siyang paganyan dyan. Magkano ito eh? Ay, nawala ang kanyang tab. Another shirt, a top, $3. Oh my god, how cute is this? Another top, this is for Ate Paris, pink. May pa-stars, $3 din siya. This is dress for Lainey. This one is for $5. Ayan, para siyang denim look. Shorts, $4 for Celine. Floral. And shoes for Ate Paris. Ito yung size niya ngayon, size 7. Oh. Tapos, meron ako nakitang shoe size 9. Sobrang nakita na ko guys. Basic lang ba? Ganito talaga yung pang daily na shoes. Magkano ba to? $8. Binili ko na rin kasi darating din sa Ate Paris sa size na yan. So, ayan. And the last one is for Mama. Last one talaga sa Mama. Tapos isa lang. Nakita ko pa to siya nung palabas na kami. Sabi ko, I'll just get something for myself as well. Kasi yung binili ko, dumiretso talaga ako doon sa kids section. Kasi alam niya naman si Mama niya. Ayan, balik natin dyan. Para hindi messy. So, ito yung binili ko for myself. This is brand new. From the brand Beginning Boutique. May tag pa oh. $20 for this one guys. It's, as you can see, pink. Para siyang bodycon dress. Sobrang sexy nito. Hindi ko nga siya na-try. So, I don't know if it's going to fit me well. Kita siguro ng aking puson. Ang bilbil at puson. But ito yung pa sa sa taasan niya. Tapos, open back. Ayan. Parang XX pa to sa likuran. Ganyan. Tapos, open back. Tapos, ayan na. So, we'll see. Try ko to siya sa taas. Pag hindi bagay, what can you do? Benta ulit. Ayan. So, yun lang. Yun lang napamili ko. Dito na lang muna ako sa sasakyan habang tulog ang ating baby. Sige, hintayin ko lang. Yung lola niya ay nandun sa taas. Siya yung naghatid kay Ate Paris. Actually, tinawagan niya ako. Sabi niya, are you coming home soon? Or later kasi magsha-shower daw siya. Wala daw mag-open ng door kapag nag-shower siya. So, sabi ko, it's okay. Just take your shower and we'll get home a bit later pagkatapos ng shower niya. Is the baby there sleeping? See? Kinakausap niya ang kanyang tita sa video call.
Okay. Who are you with? Huh?
What else happened, anak? What else happened?
Nakawawa man siya eh, nakawawa.
Yellow. Baby, give it to me, baby. Lulu, tama. Ay, tingnan nyo ang damit niya, Ate Paris. Like, kasya na kay Baby Selena. Baby Selena is here na. I know, say hi, Tito.
That's mine.
Say hi, Tito and Tita, everyone. We're going to pick up Ate Paris soon. Yes? Yeah, hello. Hello. Uy, ikaw ba? Ayun na. Masipaan mo ang kamera ba? Drop some money. Dup some money. Drop some money. Dup some money. Tok sa tita ka. Tok sa tita ka.
Saan ka na yung masifire?
Yeah, I thought, alright, well, good chat, man. I just wanted to, like I said, I'll find out that, so.
Puto na Uy, ayun tama ko yung kay daddy is working.
Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. Gana siya nakakantamak. Basta magkanta to ka na kamuhilom na gina. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall. Ito from Argentina. Open ba? Ah, so lang agi oh.
And I'll go out too, but you're surprised.
Can you blow for mama?
Wait, oy, you need to wait. It's hot lagi.
Asya, singawa sa sipon. Ah, nga nito siya basta kulang pamak okay. Mapikit siya sa dahon. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako lulugar.
Bakit
Pag-abot kong kuan, manggahi. Agay! Blow knock for mama nak, babe. Blow for mama nak. Like this. Hot. Blow.
Kapoy ba kayo na oy, labong din na bugnaw. Painit ka. Ganun init tayo. Pabugnaw na sa...
Gahi man po kaayo to. Bugnaw, marang magbato.
Binggala natin, binggala.
Bingala. Sus, mahal ba kayang parking? Papalit na mo, ani? Mac, ang parking. Less than 30 minutes, $25.
Kunya ang imong gipalit suman ra.
Okay ra ka, Brisbane? Murag mahal lagi kayo.
Ay, may mahal naman po ang Brisbane.
Mahal kayo, Mac. Grabe. Lisod pagi kayo mangitag parking.
Parking lang, parking lang.
Parking lang. Grabe. Abot tagin ako dito, Mac. Pagka-realize na ko nga hala, 25 ang to half an hour. Apas-pasa lagi kayo na ako, Mac na. Abot ito wala ka na. What does abay this, abay that. Dagan na yun. Napay mga bata nga grabe kay ka. Kuan, dili man na kayo sa ganan.
I don't know if she mentioned that. She mentioned
Yes.
Basin kay kuan nga gamay ra ang kuan, gamay ra ang
I know she didn't.
kuan.
She just did what I know she did with like
Lugar ba pwesto?
by shadowing the phone.
Daghan, oy.
I was assuming.
Daghan magka-park dito.
The other problem is-
Inkuhig, unsa nila pag-afford ya, oy.
Unfortunately, because most of the anchor guys
30 minutes to 1 hour. $40.
a large number of them. And unfortunately,
Uy, free parking? Nga naman kayo mga shops.
Wa.
Kim, yeah, and a few other people.
Sa kuan lagi kayo.
They didn't have like they don't hold high opinion of Ricky. So
I think kung weekend, dili siguro kaya kuan ang weekend, weekday siguro ba kay magtrabaho siguro.
Mentioned it for maybe that.
Ang ganahan siya, Mac.
So I don't know how that
Ano?
will go down, but
Nagani ng bataan na rin sa bunsi, pansa kay kaon para sa una na inalak.
either way,
Ang arang ay pares karon.
we'll.
Karon pares sa kuan, itlog dito siya kuan sa una karon siya ako ipa
It's very
mix, siya ako ipa-crack sa itlog. Siya mag Kaon na pud siya karon og Kanang pasta nga na ay
Mas lalo, para mas ma-appreciate niya ang itlog.
pasta nga na ay minced pork or minced beef. Kanang kuan steak amo siyang ikat. Ginagmay lang jud. Pero at least ba?
Tunan. Kana siya o klarong kayo nung anong mataan ng pangkuan na tayo niya baba. Diba naman lagi ng isa na panitan te.
Platan siguro ba murag excited na po kay siguro kung nag-open ganina nga init pa.
Gutom na kayo to. Kaya bang gutom nita, dugay nung kay tagpakatulon.
Which means me and Eddie, well, we both applied, but we both
I couldn't
Well, what about it?
the chocolate.
It's fine, we're gonna get to the car.
Okay, wait, I like it.
Yeah, pick up na natin ang ating baby Paris, oh. Ay, ate Paris, oh. Ah, sexy yan ang ate Paris, ay. Paapay mo, buyag. Okay, Ling, come on, Ling, because it's very hot. Grabe, murag aso-aso, ah. Baby girl, hala, nagyaka na gid noon. Come on, it's very hot, let's go. Let's go. Where's ate Paris? Oh my God, ate Paris, don't leave us. Go. Da. Ate Paris, wait for us now. Binihisan nila sa ate Paris ng ano niya, extra na damit niya kasi may excursion para sila kanina. Umalis sila ng school. Come here, anak. Where's ate Paris? Come on now. You wanna stay there? Bye-bye. Bring her, anak. Go back to Celine. Come on, 'cause she's going back. Oh my goodness. What are you doing, Ling? What are you doing? Give it to Mama? Give it to Mama? Look! Wow, can you see your face? Hi, guys! Hello! Oh, what's that? It's Ate Paris' vitamins.
I did it.
I know, vitamins. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Give it Ate Paris ko. Give it Ate Paris ko. We'll see if gagawin niya. Give it to Ate Paris, okay? Give it to Ate Paris. Oh, give it to Ate Paris ba? Quick! Wala. Yung boiling water. Kasi gusto ni Daddy Mike magpasta, guys. But he's not here yet. Bumili ko ng lulutuin niya. Pina-boil na lang niya ako ng tubig. Para pagdating niya ay good to go. Ako ni Paris ay kasama ang kanyang lola. Nanonood sila ng TV.
Not red. I've seen that real one, which actually.
Dad is home!
I don't feel like that. What's on his head?
Yeah, Daddy. Is Dad at home? Tingnan natin anong binili ni Daddy na. Ay, water.
That's so funny.
Minced pork. Gluten free. What's this about, Bene? What? Huh? Did you move it? No, that's more. What about? Huh? Hello! Nini girl! Hala ka! Ay! Come down, please. Please. Thank you very much. Come down, please. Please. Ikaw ba? Ikaw. Ma. Come down, no. Dangerous na anak ko. Tingnan mo yung suong. Wow! Come look. We'll see what daddy bought. Here. Ow! Come here, look. Si Ate Paris is helping daddy. What's anak? Sauce?
Tomato sauce.
Is it?
Different. What?
What else?
Mushroom. I want this.
Mushroom? Takaragog ka?
Yeah. What flavor is that?
Read it.
GARL.
I think it says garlic.
Got it.
Like
Garlic.
from the garlic bread.
Lynn,
This is
good job. Well done.
Can I have a croissant, please?
Huh?
Nak, because daddy's cooking na, nak.
Please.
Come have a look at what we're cooking.
Guys, is there any more in there?
Yeah, but look at what we're cooking.
Macaroni.
Macaroni. Baka ano ka. Come here.
That's what I'm making again.
Can you help me make it?
Yeah.
Like last time? Because we ate all of that one, remember?
Come down. Come down now. Oh. Here.
You love pastas.
Pastas.
I just doing pasta and sauce.
Actually, it's finished, I think.
So it's plum.
That's plum. Plum.
Why is this so squishy?
Just plums are squishy.
Careful, the head above the leg. Look.
Paris knows how to cook this, doesn't she?
Mom, careful your life. Yung Ate Paris guys, sinasama yan siya ni Daddy Mike na magluto. Kasi,
I'm gonna get you to put the pasta in.
napansin namin kapag sinasama siya sa pagkain, pagluto ay kinakain niya. Mas naigdan niya siyang kainin.
I know. I have the road drop.
Excuse me, mommy. Wait, Celine, stop dropping stuff everywhere, please.
Yan na.
Put some pastas in there, please. Take the box in. Do you want to do it together?
Palibag lang.
We'll go closer, so bend down.
Pasta everywhere. Pasta we can share. Kung gusto mo na lang. Blankis na lang bitita dito. Blankis.
Now, are you going to do the mashing or the mixing? The mashing.
Beautiful girl, eh?
Clean.
This is great. We're gonna take all of it. Look, Dad, I can do the whole thing.
Can you?
Or you just box it. I got a piece.
Is it ready? Because we're going to put that in the
Feels weird.
pan.
Really weird.
Is it?
Yeah.
How weird?
Not very weird, just a little bit. But how do you feel? It's very jiggly.
Okay.
I put it in now.
In a minute, so first we'll turn the pan on so we'll get the heat going.
So cook.
So cook.
Can I put it in now?
Right, not only that, we're going to put the oil in first.
That looks like you're making magic potion.
You reckon?
Yeah, with glitter stuff inside.
Just like that.
Paris loves it. You love this, don't you?
Definitely.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna wait till the pan gets a little bit hot.
Try again. Try again.
Put the oil on this one.
Thank you, sweetheart. You're very kind.
Touch the pan. I think I might touch the pan.
You reckon?
I feel like.
Okay, first,
Ayan, our dinner is cooked na, guys. Thanks to the chef. Hoy! Hoy! So, sit up kami sa labas, kami kakain. Ayan. Just wiped it. I'm gonna get plates.